Hello everyone and happy holidays. We have just a couple of days till Christmas and I think your Christmas tree totally needs a gold ornament. So I cleaned this ornament out with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I rinsed it out and let it dry. Now I'm putting in my favorite gold paint and y'all, I'm gonna shake it, I'm gonna toss it, swirl it, whatever I gotta do to get the inside of this ornament coated in gold. Then by any means necessary, turn this baby upside down and let all the excess paint come out and let that beautiful ornament dry. Then we're going to put a mandala on the outside. I'm going to use this flex stencil from Happy Dotting Company. I know y'all have seen me use it. It is good for almost everything this size. And then I'm going to use some fun puffy paint. And I am going to get to decorating. Y'all, this is so easy and so much fun. You've got to give it a try. Wait till you see the end result. Let's do it. Oh man, you guys, this one is totally going on my own tree. You can't have it. It's all mine. I'm telling you, is this not beautiful? I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours and then I'll go ahead and let it cure on my tree. It'll be just fine. I left a link for everything I used in this video down in the description so you can find what you need. I hope you guys are having a fun holiday season this far. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and if you have everything done and you need something to buy a little time, meet me back here tomorrow. I definitely want to spend a little piece of my Christmas Eve with you. Until then, rock on.